Welcome to my Advanced Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Microsoft Store stuck at starting download. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Microsoft Store is getting stuck while starting the download, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to click on Start menu. Just click on the search bar. Then type here WS reset. Just click on WS reset. It will reset your Microsoft Store. After completion of this reset process, just close this window. Click on Start menu. And click on the search bar and search for the PowerShell. You can see here Windows PowerShell. And right side you can see here Run as Administrator. Run as Administrator. Just click on this. Click on Yes. Guys, here you need to paste the link what I will provide in my video description link. Just you need to copy that link and right click on here. You can see here Edit and click on Paste. After pasting the link, just press enter and wait to complete this process. After completion of this process, just close this window. Click on Start menu. You can see here Microsoft Store. Just click on Microsoft Store. If you are signed in your Microsoft Store, just sign out and sign in again. After that, just close this window and check if it is fixed or not. If not, then try the last method. Just click on Start menu, search for settings, click on settings. In left section you can see here time and language. Just click on this. In this you can see here date and time. Just click on date and time. If your current date and time is not matching, just adjust it from here. You can see here set time automatically. You have to just enable and date and time will be resetted. After that, just close this window. Guys, after doing this, hope your problem will be fixed. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft Store stuck at starting download. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Microsoft Store stuck at starting download. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.